some personality into your Thanksgiving or any occasion with a creative pot holder. You can make it any style or size. For mine, I chose to do a 9-inch square. That's a great size for any size ovenware. You need a festive back fabric choice, a complementary front choice. I chose to do a little embroidery on mine. Then you need to cut out a 9-inch square for your front, an Insul-Bright layer, a batting layer, and the backing. Now that we have all of our layers together, we're gonna line those up and then we're gonna add some decorative stitches to our pot holder. I'm choosing to use decorative stitches to secure my layers together. I'm going to avoid putting any stitches in my embroidery, but I'm going to get close enough to make sure that all of that area is secure. After we secure the layers with our decorative stitches, we'll be ready to add the binding. Now that we've finished using our decorative stitches to secure our layers, you'll notice that the edges aren't quite even anymore. That is perfectly normal. So we need to trim those edges up to make it easier to add our binding. There are two methods that you can use for binding. One is the traditional method that we use when we're quilting. The second method is to make yourself a double fold biased binding. I've taken a strip that was 2 1/4 inches. You fold that strip in half, then you open it, press it, open it back up, bring those 2 layers in to meet one another, and then press it again. And you have the folded biased binding. Now that we have our bias binding made, we're going to open that up and insert our raw edge into it, making sure that we get it all covered. Make sure you give yourself about a 3-inch tail. Start stitching. I've chosen to do a zigzag stitch. Stitch to the corner, stop, pivot, continue around the corner, feeding that onto your raw edges as you go. Get to the next corner and do the same thing. Now that we've reached close to finishing, we need to give ourselves a tail that extends over the previous tail, making sure to give yourself enough room to fold it back so you don't have any raw edges showing. And there you have it, a finished pot holder. A couple other choices that you could use is you could add a loop to the top. You notice that I did one for Halloween with a fun back. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here at NebraskaQuiltCompany.com or stop by the shop.